I'm going to be unboxing the Infinix Hot 12. So let's get started. As you can see, here is the bag and here is the receipt, which I'm not going to show you. Yep, there's the receipt. And now here is the box of the phone. Now the box is open because I had to check the device in stores to make sure it's working and everything. So here it is. It's 6 GB plus 5 GB extra, which you can add on, and it's the Hot 12. And yeah, I'll read the specs later, or you can pause it here and read the specs yourself. But so yeah, it has the Helio G85 gaming processor, which is really good and it's really fast as well. And yeah, let's see what's inside the box. So obviously you get the device first with some of the specs on top. So let's put the device to one side and look what else inside the box. So here is the manufacturer warranty card thing. Then you get this paper sticker thing from, I don't know, just comes with every phone you buy. And then you have the X-Park something to win free phones. Then here is the 18-watt fast charger adapter, same thing. And then you get the USB-A to USB-C charging wire. And then you get the SIM ejector pin right here. I'm just going to open it up and show you. Right here, it's open. It's not in focus, but yeah, you get what that is. Just going to put it back now. And then last but not least, you also get the free silicone case, which is made out of really good silicone. It's really nice and it's clear, and yeah, it looks really nice. Now as you can see, the box is empty, so we're just going to put everything to one side. Let's pack up the box and put everything else to one side. The price of this phone, I forgot to mention, is 32,000 rupees, Pakistani rupees, because I'm in Pakistan. So yeah, put that to one side. Here is the phone. As you can see, it has a Helio G85 gaming processor, 5000 mAh battery, 18 watt fast charging. It's durable flat edge design and 6.82 inch screen and the 90 Hz refresh rate. Whew, that was a mouthful. So let's open up the phone and see what it looks like. A lot of fingerprints on the screen, we'll wipe them in a minute. This is the back of the phone. The camera is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel AA lens, quad with flashlight. Now let's look at the ports and buttons as well. At the top there is nothing. On this side there is the SIM tray. We'll take a look at the SIM tray situation later. On the bottom you have the headphone jack, the mic, USB-C charging port and speakers. And on this side you have the fingerprint scanner / home lock button and volume rockers. So yeah, that's all the ports and buttons. There's the camera, front camera. The front camera is 8 megapixel with dual flashlights as well. Now let's set up the phone. Just setting up, trying to find my country and region. This is Pakistan. Don't have a SIM card yet, or for that in later. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Oh, forgot to click I have read and agreed to the above terms. Google services, accept everything. Set up a fingerprint, but before that you have to set up a pattern or PIN or password. I set up a pattern. Now setting up the fingerprint. Struggles a little bit to set up. Almost done. There you go. It said if you wanted to set up Face ID, but I didn't. Choose a desktop style. I chose the classic one. And we're done setting up the phone. This phone operating system is Android 12. You have a 90 Hz refresh rate, and the processor is G85, Helio G85. Let's test out the camera. 13 megapixel back camera with flashlights. One flashlight. The camera is okay, I would say, not the best, but it's okay. Show you all the modes. You get beauty mode, portrait mode, super night. And then you also get the normal AA cam, video and short video. And then you'll see some of the options that you have in all of these short video and videos. You get panorama, document, slow motion and time lapse and AR shot. In all of them you get the same. You can have beauty mode on for videos as well, which is really cool. The front camera, you can see my horrible setup. I'm filming on my Samsung S21 Plus. Just scrolling through random apps. Let's test the fingerprint. Fingerprint is very fast. It unlocks the phone very fast. which is really good. Before we forget, let's open up the SIM tray and see what we can do with the SIM tray. So you can add 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card. By the way, the phone already has a screen protector on it and the back protection film thing because they offered to do it in the store, so I got it done. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed my little video.